All right, it's no secret that everyone is using AI for copywriting these days, but how do you stand out when your competition is using the exact same tools? The answer is personalization. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can turn standard AI-generated copy into content that feels personal, connects emotionally, and converts better. And by the end, I'll share a tip that'll transform how you approach AI copywriting from this point forward. Are you ready to dive in? All right, let's go. Personalization starts with knowing who you're talking to. AI tools rely on the data that you give them, so the more you understand about your audience, the better the results. It's helpful if you can create customer avatars that outline who your ideal customers are. And it's okay to have a few different avatars based on who you want to market to. For instance, a solar company can have an avatar for consumers who want to be free from the grid, but also have a separate avatar for people looking to set up cabins or second homes in a remote area. And finally, a third avatar just for solar installers. And each of these have different needs, they have different pain points, and they obviously have different goals that can be used all to your advantage to personalize your marketing. If you then take those avatars and combine them with tools like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign, which are great for gathering detailed customer info, things like demographics, behavior, and purchase history, then this data, along with your avatars, should inform the AI and hit a home run. For instance, if you're writing to busy entrepreneurs, tell the AI to focus on brevity and highlight productivity benefits. That's going to resonate with their avatar much more than something different that's long and lengthy. For families, you might want to dial up the warmth and use a more conversational tone. And these are all prompts you can tell AI to do. The more specific your audience insights are, all stemming from your avatar research and data gathering, the more the AI can shape its output to reflect those details. Most AI tools will let you input dynamic variables. Think, names, locations, past purchases, all the stuff to personalize at scale. So let's say you're using MailChimp for email marketing, which we love. You can connect the AI-generated copy to your customer data, so emails automatically includes those personalized fields like name, location, recent purchases, and all the other little inserts that you can do that really talk to the personalization of the customer that you're talking to. Sure, it requires you to keep that information attached to the customer profile, but I guarantee you it will pay dividends in the long run. Another cool tool for this is Smartwriter.ai. It uses AI to personalize sales emails at scale by pulling data from LinkedIn profiles, company websites, and other information to customize your message accordingly to your target's job role, company, size, and industry. It's a wonderful tool. And it can really open up a whole new world of customization and add that level of personalization that feels real because it is real because it's using real data. No matter how good AI is, there's nothing that beats that human touch. So step 3 is all about reviewing and adding in the final edit. Yes, you have to do some manual work here, but there are tools that can help. So let's look at a tool like Copy.ai, which I mentioned earlier. You might have it generate a product description, but to make sure it really resonates with your audience, you'll want to review the tone, word choice, and emotional appeal. Dial that up and add your own words to make it feel real. AI may get you 80% of the way there, but your human insight is what makes that final 20% shine. Maybe you need to add humor or shift the focus slightly to better fit your brand's voice. Pulling from your original avatar pain points is what is really key here and will get you that last 20% to be perfect. Let me show you a quick example of how this works in real life using Jasper. We'll generate 2 email subject lines for 2 different personas, one for a tech-savvy entrepreneur and the other for a busy parent. For the entrepreneur, we'll use the headline, "Maximize Productivity with AI Tools Built for Your Business." But for the parent, we're gonna use "Get More Time for What Matters with AI Solutions for Families." See how a little audience insight can go a long way in making the AI output feel personal? By simply tweaking the prompt to reflect the persona, the copy shifts to better speak to each audience. And there you have it, personalized AI copywriting that doesn't have to be complex, but it does have to take the right approach. Use the tools that are out there, Jasper, Copy.ai, Smartwriter, know your audience, implement dynamic content, and don't forget to sprinkle in that human touch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and it would mean the world to us if you could share it to your network. And let me know in the comments, what AI copywriting tools or techniques have you found useful? We don't know them all, and we'd love to hear what's on your radar. Until next time, keep writing and stay creative.